how to convert a photo to Ghibli style in ChatGPT. So it's very popular style. So what we can do is use AI to do this. So go ahead to your ChatGPT app, and I'm going to add an image. So go ahead and hit the plus button at the bottom left-hand corner, and go ahead and add your image that you want to use. I'm going to choose this one here. And then from this point forward, what we can do is go ahead and ask for it to convert it. So we are going to type in the prompt, please convert photo to Ghibli style picture. And it will take a couple seconds, so just wait patiently, and it should just render out what it thinks that the Ghibli style should be. It is important to know that I am on the free version of ChatGPT. You do not need the paid version. So you can do this, but it does limit you on the amount of pictures that you can upload in a single day. So just keep that in mind. And we will wait here while it renders. Once the picture is rendered, it gives you a Ghibli style photo, and that's it. That's pretty much it. It's very simple, very simplistic to do. You can go through iterations and change things and alter things, but for a very basic understanding of how to convert it to a Ghibli style, this is it. And that's it.